My name's Michael. I've been searching for a way to earn a living online for a number of years now. Recently, I came across a product by Stephen and Robert, which is a Done For You Magic Theme program. And the reason why this interested me was because previously I Magic Page, MPP, plus Lead Simplified, and also Daryl's X Forms. Well, I decided to purchase the DFY because it was the last piece in the jigsaw for me. It helped me to really put all the pieces together, which was Simplified, MPP. Because of my work, I do shift work and I don't have a lot of time. And I found that there was a lot needed to put all these programs together. And I felt that it was too complicated for me at times. So when this came along, this actually fitted like a jigsaw puzzle because it covered all these forms, these programs, and it simplified it for me. But not only that, it covered, it was a complete done for you, which was brilliant. It did 99% for me of the work, and it done in a way that was easy to understand, easy to follow. I felt Stephen and Robert did a brilliant job in presenting it. They made something seem complicated and overwhelming, being very simple. And because of that, the anxiety levels that I had doing the other programs had basically gone away, because now I feel that I'm capable. I have the tools now to do a good job of what I'm focusing on, which is doing local websites, providing local leads for businesses. Yeah, I've always wanted to be self-employed. I've tried other things in the past that didn't work too well, and I feel the reason why that happened, why I didn't succeed in the other things that I was trying to do, was because I didn't have the support and I didn't have a clear direction. It was just me on my own trying to solve these problems. The great thing about the Done For You course is that you've got Stephen and Robert who provide tremendous support in every stage that you take, and because of that, as I said before, it takes away a lot of problems and a lot of anxieties. For me, the training in this program is second to none. It really does make things simple. They provide bite-sized videos that are easy to consume, and you feel that you're achieving stuff as you go along. They have provided a system that is so simple to follow that as you're going along, you're achieving goals in bite-sized ways, which boosts my confidence. I really do love this training that they provided. The support is excellent, so you can't get any better than that. And they go out of their way as well, I must admit, to provide help and support, sometimes more than what I expected. So I really appreciate that. Well, the business opportunity is there's no limit really. The fact that Stephen and Robert are actually doing this themselves, so it's not something that they put together to earn money for themselves. They're actually doing this. The opportunity, I know, is depending on what you put in. The more you put in, the more you can earn. Sky's the limits really with this opportunity. Well, since I've started using it, I feel confident in myself that I can actually achieve my goals. One of them is to provide for my family. Really, that's what's important for me. And now, whereas before I was struggling with that dream and that idea, but now I can actually see an opportunity where I can actually fulfill that dream. Again, thank you. The Done For You Magic Theme, as I said, make it something that seemed complicated, very simple. Building local websites for local businesses. And you've got the potential to build hundreds of local pages for the local area, which is invaluable to local businesses. And basically that's what I need. I needed a starting block. I need how to do things properly that in Google's eyes is tangible. There's no other course that I've seen out there that provides this, especially on the designing and building local leads for clients. Well, it's Done For You Magic Themes personally. I mean, it's helping me to start my own business, really. Basically what I'm trying to do, learn how to do it, and in the right way. It will help me in the future to support my family, because I haven't got that experience. DFY is now showing me and providing for me how I can go about doing this. When I built my first Done For You website, I felt relieved. Felt an achievement because I remember I did attempt building it before building a website, well, not a done for you, but a local base, and I failed miserably. This was a huge achievement. The fact that the course, it's a good indicator of how well this course is. The fact that I actually was able to build it through the done for you course. Yes, it's a wonderful feeling to know that you are able to achieve what you set out to do, and that's only because the course that Robert and Stephen had set up, without a doubt. Using the DFY Magic Themes with the Fast Track Training program, I know anyone can achieve this, because it caters for someone like myself who is not very knowledgeable websites in building them and structuring them, to someone who, an expert really. It covers all levels because it's done in bite-sized chunks, and it's done in a way that's very simple and easy to follow. I feel if I can do it, then anyone else can do it, and I'm not trained at all building websites or their nuances at all. If you are considering the DFY Magic Themes with the Fast Track Training program, it's a no-brainer. As far as I'm concerned, it's a fantastic training, and you need them both in order to really use the training to its full potential, and to benefit in the best way out of it, and to really get the most out of the system. You need both, you really do, because of the training and the support that you get from Robert and Stephen is second to none. It's really valuable, and you've got the support of others as well. So buying the Magic Themes on its own, basically you won't be able to deal with any situations or problems that come up, and with the Fast Track Training, that provides that support. As we know, the internet is always changing. Things come up that are unforeseen, so with the Fast Track, it covers any unforeseen problems that come up. So in that sense, it's invaluable. The two goes together, especially if you want to make this business work.